and we're going to open it today and we're going to show you everything. I bet it's going to be so cool. So let's open it up.
Before we open it, are you excited to
I'm
open
excited,
it?
are you?
Yes, I'm very excited. Let's go.
So,
wow, it looks so cool.
Here is the seat. You can see it from the front, not from the back.
Oh, whoa! Colin.
Oh my god.
And this is the bike itself.
Oh, it's quite heavy.
Let's take the wrapping off and then we'll show you the bike.
There's probably like all the parts in this box and the rest of the parts.
This is like a bike.
Oh.
Let's put the handle.
There's our seat. There's one for one for right here. There's one that's you look at it wrong. I found it with this. It's not like the back like just like that. Got to like black out and then flip through. Personally, I really like the theme. It's like a black and a red, and it's a really good quality bike. The colour's just beautiful. And now we're gonna go charge it, and we're gonna come back with it charged, and we're gonna go outside and ride it.
I really like it, it's really cool. The colour is really nice. And yeah, it's going to help me get around. Thank you for watching. We're going to go outside tomorrow and review the bike. So guys, I'm outside now. The DYU bike looks really cool. I love this bike, it's really cool. I love the colour. I stand here so you can let go of it, park it. There's a bell to let people know that you're there. There's an on and off button here. There's a indicator to show how much battery your bike has. And this button turns on the light. The handle folds, so you pull this and you can fold the handle and pick it up and take it anywhere. After every charge, you can drive the bike while pedaling for 40 miles, and without pedaling the battery lasts 35 miles. The top speed is 15.5 miles per hour. I would really recommend this bike as it's easy to go around the city, and you can take it on trains and everywhere. Also, you can fold it and put it into your car boot. I would definitely recommend this bike. It's really amazing and cool. Thank you for watching our video. The link to the bike is in the description, so if you want to buy it, go into the description and click the link and you can buy it from there. Bye. So let's drive it and show you. Let's test it. Let's go. It's really fast and the brakes are really good. Let's go again.